Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. As you can see, we've come down to the coast. It is absolutely glorious today, and the tide is in. There is nothing better I like than sit here and listen to the waves. And you know when you got sort of like where there's loads of stones and then it crashes onto the sides and then you listen to the water go through all the stones. Oh, I love that. Just sitting here listening to the waves crashing upon each other. It's just so soothing, so calming. And on a day like this, wow. I hope we have many, 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 many more. But yes, for the next couple of days we decided if it's going to be nice, we want to be by the sea.